everybody, this is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. Today we're going to make an apple raisin salad with cashew cream. This is a simple salad, really not hard to make. The most challenging thing, which is really not challenging, might be to make the cashew cream. And this is cream that I just made in another video. I'll put a link to that below. And also this complete recipe is below. What I'm making is half of the recipe, because the full recipe will make a good 6 servings and it's just me and my husband, so I'm halving it, okay? So this is half the recipe. What I have is 1 apple that I have cut into bite-sized pieces. You'll see that I peeled it. It does not need to be peeled. It'll be actually more appealing if you don't peel it, but I need to peel it for my own reasons there, okay? Not having to do with the recipe. And then I have 1/2 cup of diced celery, okay, just apple and celery. 1 apple, 1/2 cup of celery, and then the recipe calls for 1/4 cup of raisins, so I have 2 tablespoons of raisins here, and about 3 tablespoons of chopped walnuts. The recipe calls for 1/3 cup, so that's roughly half of it. And so I'm just going to toss these really quick. Now, what I have here is some cashew cream. I'm going to set this aside for just a second. Some cashew cream that I just made in another video. It has a little lemon juice in there for a little tang. What I'm going to add to that is 2 teaspoons of orange juice concentrate. This is the frozen concentrate that you can buy. I want to give it a little bit of a fruity flair here. If you want it to be sweeter, you can certainly add sweetener of your choice. Maple syrup would be good. Any type of sweetener would be fine, but I'm just going to go with a little bit of orange juice concentrate and give this a bit of a creamsicle type of flavor. And now I'm just going to take, now this was roughly about 1/2 cup of cashew cream. It was a full recipe where I used 1/2 cup of cashews. I'm just pouring the whole thing right into this apple salad mixture. And then I'm going to toss it around just to stir it up and combine it. And that is all there is to it. Cover it up, put it in the refrigerator, let the flavors blend a little bit. If you want to serve it right away, you can serve it. And you can even use a little less of the cashew cream if you want. You see it gives it a really nice big coating to it. You could use less if you want. I don't think you really would need more than that. And there you go. Now, like I said, it would look prettier if the apples were not peeled, but I need to peel them for my own reasons. Nothing to do with the recipe, and that is basically it in a nutshell. Just chill it and then serve it and enjoy. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. The recipe is below. This is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. Take care now.